Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the future of Indian EMS companies and what 2025 holds for this dynamic sector. Let's start with a quick overview. The Indian electronics manufacturing services sector has been booming thanks to the government's Make in India initiative. This push for local manufacturing has led to significant growth, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. One of the key players to watch is Dixon Technologies. With their diversified product range and strong client base, they've seen consistent growth in revenue. Analysts predict a 20% increase in their market share by the end of 2025. Another major player is Bharat Electronics Limited. Known for its defense electronics, BEL is expanding into new verticals like smart cities and renewable energy. Their focus on innovation could drive a 15% annual growth rate. Then there's Avalon Technologies, a rising star in the EMS sector. Specializing in end-to-end design and manufacturing solutions, Avalon is set to benefit from the increasing demand for high-tech electronics. Experts are forecasting a 25% jump in their stock value over the next couple of years. But it's not just the big names. Mid-cap companies like Amber Enterprises are also on the rise, with a projected CAGR of 18%. They're capitalizing on the demand for consumer electronics and HVAC systems. Another noteworthy company is Kaynes Technologies. Known for its expertise in embedded design and manufacturing, Kaynes is poised to leverage the growing demand for smart devices. In summary, the Indian EMS sector is poised for significant growth thanks to favorable government policies, technological advancements, and increased global demand. For investors, this is an exciting space filled with opportunities. Keep an eye on these companies as they continue to innovate and expand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights. Until next time, happy investing.